Add-on desired.
Welcome to Adult Solutions Current Affairs program. This is Koteshwar. First I am going to discuss the international current affairs as part of today's current affairs. Care for the baby with the vaccine for the mother. Scientists at the Grossman School of Medicine at New York University have found that COVID-19 vaccines benefit to their offspring to vaccinated pregnant women. All of their infants who took Pfizer or Moderna while their mothers were pregnant were found to have full levels of protective antibodies in their body. India, UK hold talks on vaccine certification process. National Health Authority President R.S. Sharma held talks with British High Commissioner Alex Ellis regarding the certification of Indian travelers. The British High Commissioner told the meeting that steps are being taken to resolve the issues arising on the travel regulations imposed on the Indian tourists. AUKUS deal, India, Japan not to be included, US clarifies. The United States has ruled out the possibility of adding India or Japan to the new trilateral security alliance among United States of America, the United Kingdom and Australia, known as AUKUS, AUKUS. Nobel Prize ceremonies to be curtailed again due to COVID. The Nobel Prize ceremonies will be reined in and scaled down for the second year in row due to the coronavirus pandemic. The foundation behind the coveted prizes said Thursday. The laureates will receive their Nobel Prize medals and diplomas in their home countries, the foundation said. Boeing to build military drones in Australia. Leading US aerospace giant Boeing has announced plans to build a military drone aircraft in Australia. China flies 19 fighter jets into Taiwan airspace. China has once again resorted to provocations against Taiwan. The ruthless took steps to get in his way through a show of force. It sent 19 warplanes towards Taiwan on Thursday. The move comes after Taiwan announced its intention to join the 11-nation comprehensive progressive agreement on Trans-Pacific Partnership. At G20 meeting, China calls for lifting sanctions restrictions on Afghanistan. China's State Councillor and Foreign Minister Wang Yi said the various unilateral sanctions or restrictions on Afghanistan should be lifted as soon as possible. National PM Narendra Modi given warm welcome by Indians in the United States of America. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who arrived in Washington for a 4-day visit on Wednesday, received a warm welcome from the members of the Indian community at Andrews Giant Air Force Base in Washington, D.C. On the first day of the US tour, Narendra Modi met CEOs of companies from 5 key sectors. These include Adobe, General Atomics, Qualcomm, First Solar, Blackstone. SC will set up expert panel on Pegasus Row. The Supreme Court on Thursday made a key statement on Pegasus surveillance technology. The Supreme Court has orally said it will appoint a team of technicians to probe allegations that the central government has illegally used Pegasus spyware to spy journalists, social activists and politicians. 8 new judges to Patna High Court. The Supreme Court Collegium has recommended 8 new judges to the Patna High Court. The Patna High Court has to have a total of 53 judges and the Collegium has recommended 8 new judges as part to fill the 34 vacancies in the Patna High Court. Petroleum Minister Puri blames states for high fuel prices, cites this reason. Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has alleged that prices in the country have not come down as states have not agreed to bring petroleum and diesel under the Goods and Services Tax (GST). He said petrol and diesel prices were high as states were imposing high taxes. PM Cares not a government fund, Central tells Delhi High Court. The Centre has informed the Delhi High Court that PM Cares Fund is not a government fund as the amount collected by it does not go to the Consolidated Fund of India. Ministry of Defence orders 118 Arjun Mark 1 tanks for 7,500 crore rupees. The Ministry of Defence announced on Thursday that it has placed an order with the Ordnance Factory Board YFB for 118 indigenous Arjun Mark 1A main battle tanks MBTs for the Army. 12 Indian institutes in QS employability rankings. 12 Indian institutions have been ranked among the world's top 500 universities in the country that cater to graduates with all the skills needed to pursue a career in the modern competitive world. Indian Institute of Sciences IISc Bangalore and 6 Indian Institute of Technologies IITs are among the 12 Indian institutions in the top 500 universities in Cockerill Simons QS Graduate Employability Rankings 2022 announced on Thursday. Provide free cancer treatment to Bhopal gas tragedy victims. Madhya Pradesh High Court to the state government. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has directed the state government to provide free cancer treatment to Bhopal gas victims. In December 1984, the Union Carbide plant in Bhopal released toxic gases that killed more than 3,500 people and affected to 5.58 lakh people. Reasons should be given for the decisions taken. Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has made it clear that any authority with judicial or quasi-judicial powers must include the reasons for their decisions. If the law requires that the reasons be in writing, it must be complied with. 10 crore smart meters should be set up. Union Power Minister R.K. Singh has suggested that states should give priority to setting up 10 crore smart meters across the country as part of the electricity reforms. A rare tribute to the CII India GBC representative M. Anand of CII India Green Building Council GBC has been elected Vice Chairman of the Asia Pacific Regional Network of the World Green Building Council. Andhra Pradesh. Increase the scope of 4 urban development agencies. The government of Andhra Pradesh has decided to extend the 4 urban development agencies in the state. 12 new villages under the Tirupati Urban Development Authority TUDA, 129 new villages under Kurnool Urban Development Authority KUDA, 48 new villages under Chittoor Urban Development Authority CUDA and 6 new mandals under Madanapalle Urban Development Authority MUDA. American Corner in Vizag inaugurated by Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy yesterday inaugurated the American Corner at Andhra University in Visakhapatnam. This is the 3rd American Corner in India. Supreme shock. Andhra Gout slapped with 1 lakh rupees fine. The Supreme Court on Thursday imposed a fine of 1 lakh rupees on the Andhra Pradesh government for delaying the execution of High Court orders and wasting court time unnecessarily. Andhra Pradesh government appealed to the Supreme Court against the verdict of High Court in the case of Andhra Pradesh government versus Devi Seafood Company. Royal Thai Consulate General meets Chief Minister. Royal Thai Consulate General Nithirog Phonprasert on Thursday met Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy at the Tadapalli camp office. Telangana. 2 new lift irrigation schemes with 4,427 crores. The Telangana government has issued orders to undertake the 2 lift irrigation schemes worth of 4,427 crore rupees in 4 assembly constituencies in the Giant Medak district. Telangana to spend 3,866 crore rupees on sewerage plants. Municipal Minister K.T. Ramarao has announced plans to set up 31 sewerage treatment plants STPs in the Hyderabad metropolitan area at cost of 3,866 crore rupees. Manthan co-founder Ajay Gandhi passed away. Ajay Gandhi, the co-founder of Manthan, a leading chartered accountant and best debater who introduced literary festivals to the people of Hyderabad, breathed his last on Thursday. Sports. IPL 2021, Kolkata Knight Riders ace to 7 wickets win over Mumbai Indians, enter top 4. Sureka to fight in the mixed race. Sureka, who advanced to the finals in the compound women's team category along with Priya and Muskan, qualified for the finals in the mixed category along with the Abhishek Verma. ICC releases T20 World Cup anthem. The ICC on Thursday released the official anthem of the T20 World Cup to be held in the Oman and United Arab Emirates from the 17th of the next month. It was created by Bollywood music director Amit Trivedi. The song is Going Live the Game. These are the today's current affairs. Keep watching Adore Solutions Current Affairs program to get the regular updates on current affairs. Thank you.
Adore Solutions. Add-on desires.